Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how we can connect Claude with Canva, and you can see that I've created this different designs here. So you can see meet the new llama here, having the same design. I can automatically change this text here. So what I've done is I've asked Claude to design using Canva here, and the same design basically, and just change the text that you see in the design. So basically we're using MCP here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the MCP. Really a short video, but this is something I felt we should know. For getting this connected, we need to have first of all a Claude account, and I have my pro plan here. You can see on the settings, if I go to usage, we have a pro plan here, and then we need to go ahead and go to connectors here. So if you go to connectors, you can go to customize here, and then you'll be able to see and go ahead to this location to add connectors, and then browse connector, and then go ahead and add Canva. Now let me disconnect this, and again I'll start from the beginning so that I can show you how to get it connected. So I click on the connectors, I click on browse connector here, and then I go to Canva here, which is very popular. You can see other MCPs that is available. So MCPs are basically connectors that will give you all the list of tools available for that particular software. For example, if you connect to Asana, you get lots of tools of Asana. You connect with Airtable, you get lots of tools of Airtable. So instead of manually configuring different tools, you can just go ahead and connect Canva or MCP of these things. And I've shown you in a video how to make your own MCP as well. You can go ahead and check out this video. I've shown you how to connect and make your own MCP and connect with Claude. So in this video, let's click on Canva here. Let's click on connect. So basically we need a free account to connect that, and what you need to do is I'm gonna go and remove this again. So let's do this again. So we go to browse connectors here, and then click on Canva, and then click on connect. Okay, complete the sign-in steps, and you can see that Canva AI connector would like to access to your Canva account. Then we say allow, but before that we need an account. So first go ahead and create an account with Canva. This authorization is successful, and you know, Canva has a lot of designs that you can use. So we see that we have these different things. So for example, presentations, we have for social media different designs. It's really interesting. You can create a design from scratch, or you can go to templates, and then you can go ahead and choose any template. For example, you can go ahead and choose this resume template here, and you can see all these templates. So this one, you can see we need to upgrade to pro. So if you're not on a pro account, if you're just on a free account, look for these other things which are free. So for example, this one, I can take this and I can just customize this template and copy it to my account. Now this is sitting on my account. Okay, we'll get back to this, but now we have Canva connected, and you can see that we have these tools. So you can see we have 4 tools here, we have 15 tools here, and then we have 15 tools read write category. So total, you can see we have 34 tools here, and all these tools we can allow it always. For example, always allow, or needs approval, or blocked, or custom. And these are the tools that we're allowing, and you can see the read only tools, always allow, and then we have the write tools. Now basically this is connected. We can go back to an instance of Claude, and you can see that if you have used Claude, we know that this is the chat interface of Claude. You can work with Claude Code as well, and also you can go ahead and download the Claude desktop app as well. Here also you can see that we have chat, we have co-work, and we have Claude here. So let's go back to the desktop version here, and now I can say, so I say that can you list the tools of the Canva MCP? Tell if you're connected to the MCP. Then you can say give the list of tools, one simple prompt to call each tool, and whether my Canva plan is sufficient to run that tool. You can put the details into a table. Cool. And then again, choose this model. I would like to go with Sonnet, and then maybe high. Okay, so just send it over, and this will give you the result. Let's see, Canva MCP tool. It's loading the tool, requesting, and looking at the tools, whether the tools are available or not really. While this is running, let me show you that if you go to the Claude desktop and go to file settings, and then go to connectors here, and then go to customize here, and then again you can see that we have the similar things here. So if you go to browse connectors, you can go ahead and have a look at all the different tools. So Canva 365, Figma, Notion, Gmail, Slack, then Google Calendar, Drive, Linear. There are tons and tons of tools. Even you can create your own tool. As I said, you can go ahead and check out the video. But you can see all these MCP connections. These are official, and you can create your own as well. So let's go back and see if our answer is ready. Yep. And you can see, yes, I'm fully connected to Canva MCP. Loaded the 30 tools from it, and you can see the status is connected. So these are the tools. simply a simple prompt to call it is, for example, generate design. We generate a YouTube thumbnail about AI agents. So I can say any, and these are different tools that you can use. For example, copy design, make a copy of design, this one, and then export the design, get the assets, list the comments, and you can see these are the plans. The plans required is any, and out of these only these 3 tools you need a Teams or enterprise account of Canva to use. Otherwise you can use other rest of the things you can use with a free account as well. So let's go ahead and test out one. I can just say I can take a sample from here and generate a YouTube thumbnail about AI agents, and I can go ahead and say this and say using Canva. And since it might not always use Canva in specific cases when you have different connectors. So for example, if I give the Hicksville connector here, it may use Hicksville because the command looks like we need to design an image which Hicksville is also capable of. So if you have too many MCPs connected, you can just specify the name of the MCP and then it will be done. So we can see generating the thumbnail now using a dark techie style tailored to your AI dev audience on Prompt Engineer 48, and it's finalizing the designs, giving me 4 designs. Canva generated 4 thumbnail candidates for you. You should see them in the widget above, and you can see really good. To save one to your account, just tell me which design you prefer. Let's go with 2. Okay, let's go with 2, and converting candidate 2 to your Canva account right now. And I say always allow. This will design 2 is now saved to your Canva account, and you can edit in Canva directly. So if you go to edit in Canva here, go to the design here, and then you can go ahead and change this as well on Canva. How cool is that? If you don't use Canva, for example, if you just ask Hicksville to design a thumbnail, then it would give you an output. But again, to change the text or do the minor changes, you would again have to do the inference, run the inference, and then bear cost. But here you don't need to bear any cost. You have the file, the editable file, and you can go ahead and just edit. So it's really amazing when you have Canva with you. So the cost is minimized and things are looking really good. So from there you can just swap your own text, you can add your face and adjust colors and everything you can do here, right? Next, I'm going to show you one example and then I'm going to close the video. So this example that we had was this. You can see this is one resume. So I'm going to copy this link basically, and then I'm going to tell this, put in the link here. Can you use this template and design 2 different resumes for me? One should focus for the recruiters for AI ML job, and the other could be to send for sending to my sponsors for more projects. Okay, so let's see. I want to create 2 designs basically, and you can see good, it's a red, black, bold graphic design resume. So where is that? So this is the resume, and I can see now it's going to make the changes. I can see the full layout. Now I'll copy the template twice, once for each resume, and edit them with your real info. Done. So the first copy is done. Now copy 2 for the sponsor version. Both copies ready. Let me edit the first one, the AI ML recruiter resume. I can see the full template. Now I'll replace all text with your real info, AI ML recruiter version first. All operations in one shot. Cool. All applied. Looks great structurally. Now saving it. So you can see that even with a free plan of Canva, it's so easy to go ahead and use Canva with Claude. Now, instead of using Claude, you can go ahead and use other AI agentic structures, for example, Hermes agent, open code, but there we don't have that direct connector that connects the MCP. We need to edit the JSON file, the connector there, and insert the MCP. But we see the output here. We have 2 outputs, but basically what you can do is I can go ahead and edit in Canva itself again. So you can see that we go to Canva here, and we go to edit in Canva here. So the first one is this. We see profile summary, we have skills, work experience, certificates, some issues here and there. So I think I would need to make this a little better here, and then it's ready for sharing. Okay, the next one is almost the same one, but you can see the channel stats here, past sponsors here, and then we have brand deals here. But again, we need to change this and make it beautiful, and then we are ready to share this. So that's really amazing. You can see it's now unlimited designs, and you can go ahead and work with any design that you can think of. So you go to Canva first, and then go to templates first, and then look at the templates that you like. So let's say you like the creative brief here, and then take this template, and then you can even make hundreds of carousels or hundreds of images for posting on Instagram or X. So you can go here and go to, for example, social media here, and then go to Instagram here, and then you can take this post, for example, Instagram post here, and then you can have this template. And once you are happy with the template after you create it, or you can copy any templates from here as well. So you can see that we have this template, and then just copy the template or the URL of the template, share it with Claude Code, and ask it to generate in this format, and then post it. Really amazing, really useful tip. I will be back with more such interesting videos, and right now my next video will be on Hermes desktop for Windows, which is really amazing. So check out and watch out for the next video. But in this video, I'm showing you how to connect Claude with Canvas, and now we have infinite things that you can do. Let's go ahead and do this. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and have a nice day.